going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Cbdc. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, Bitcoin and cryptos are flat. But we have Deutsche Bank analysis see Bitcoin recovering to 28,000 by December. And how fast things have changed. Bitcoin was going to hit 100,000 by year end, 250,000. Now barely getting to 28,000. But you know, the Crypto Teacher gave you warning before it even happened. We have over 20,000 cryptos. There's definitely going to be a big distraction to get rid of 99% of these cryptos. Now, guys, Bitcoin has a 3-day weekend where it's only going to be the only game in town. And right now, they're pushing down yields. The 10-year is below 3%. So we should have a good Sunday night going into Monday. And that is July 4th. We know crypto does not sleep, and that liquidity has to go somewhere since everything is going to be closed. Also, guys, volume, Tether, USDC. We have Biden official says U.S. government could pass stablecoin rule by end of year. And guys, we know stablecoins are nothing but digital dollars. And then, of course, we have the Fed. Fed did $2.3 trillion in the repo. That's one of the highest repos. Pulled back today at about $2.1 trillion. But because they did drop those yields, I definitely see cryptos, like I stated, having a good Sunday going into Monday. And then stocks will start to lift off. Even though they're going to start lowering the expectations for guidance going forward, we know we have midterms, so they want to turn this economy around. And then, guys, of course, fourth quarter, we know that big distraction is definitely coming. We see so many events the NWO can pull from. And then, guys, of course, we have Grayscale. Dropped all the way down to $15.7 billion. So, guys, we're definitely in the bear market. But as we know, in a bear market, we're still going to have pumps on our way down. So these next 2 months, I definitely see a relief. And then us pulling back in September. We know this is Cbdc. That great event is going to run us in to 2023. But getting over into a little crypto news, we have VanEck refiles with the SEC for the spot Bitcoin ETF. And like I stated, guys, this year, I definitely see a spot Bitcoin ETF because we know ISO is right around the corner. Now we have the Basel Committee wants to limit bank digital asset exposure to just 1% of equity. And as we know, crypto is not in the real world yet. And it looks to the masses that crypto is dead. But we know it's all for the fourth industrial revolution. But for right now, crypto is still speculation. The casino is wide open, and we know the legacy market has to be destroyed in order to move in the robots, algorithms, and drones that take over the economy. Now we have FTX on the verge of buying Blockfi. It says 25 million, but that has not been confirmed. I don't believe it would be 25 million, but we definitely see these yield companies falling by the wayside. Now we have the EU agree on the MiCA framework to regulate crypto asset service providers. Also, we have Tons Foundation launches Ethereum name service like domain names on July 30th. So we are seeing them trying to simplify the technology for the masses, so it's only one click or a few keystrokes. Now we have Ethereum closer to the merge, and we have HXRO begins testing crypto derivatives trading platform on Solana. And guys, we know the legacy market is only going to be turned over to the digital market. The only thing they're doing is tokenizing it and putting it on blockchain. Now we have hundreds of Bored Ape owners sign up to hire out their NFTs to brands. And guys, we know what this is going to lead to. Tokenizing your own data in order to sell to these different companies. And lastly, we have Ashanti aims to bring women to Web3. And guys, what do? Bring the singers, actors, actresses, athletes in order to push the NWO's go. They want millennials and Generation Z inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chips out, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home getting home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.